All right, we just finished up with the bodywork at Stockton Boat Repair. And if you guys are ever in the city of Stockton and you need boat repair, this is where you want to come. Quick turnaround, good work. So this was a Bayliner that I previously posted on before. Brought the body back to life. There was also gear oil that was leaking into the bellows. Excuse me, and he took care of that too. And so basically, yeah, there's still some tweaks here or there, but you know, for the most part, we're back. We're back in the mix. We're back in the mix. So, if you guys ever in need and you're in Stockton, this is where you want to come.